shining on. When the daylight comes, we're just good friends, but like lovers on the weekend.
What's up guys, it's your girl Simone here. So today in this video I was doing a wig. Okay, so I'm really excited for this wig because as you guys seen, it's from Royal Me, one of my favorite brands, because you literally have to do nothing. Like, you can just take it out the box, put it on your head, and if you want to do any plucking or anything extra, that's on you. Okay, boo? So to get started, what I'm gonna do actually is, my wig is already done for me. Only thing I need to do, because you guys know I'm extra, is I just like to flatten it down, and I might just make the part a little bit longer because it can go that long. But I absolutely love their wigs. I'm gonna cut it actually very close to my hairline because I want as much lace off as possible. But I'm not cutting all of it off yet. This is gonna take the world's fastest lace wig install, I promise you. So, how have you guys been? It's been a while since I've gotten on camera and done like a whole like chit chat type of thing. First of all, quick question. How do you guys feel about this whole likes thing? By the time this video comes out, I'm pretty sure it will have already been into effect. So, but a lot of people are like freaking out, and I guess like maybe I should be freaking out too. But I feel like I'm not freaking out because there's more to Instagram than just the likes. Okay, and when I say that, I mean, as far as, when I say that, I mean, you have your insights, you have your saves, you have engagement rate, you have so much more on Instagram to kind of track your analytics and what's going on besides the likes. That's just my opinion. But I feel like so much people are going in a frenzy, and I feel like every time, let's be real, every time there is a huge change in Instagram or social media or a social website, whatever, everyone goes into this big old frenzy just for it to act like, just for it to be like nothing ever changed 2 months down the line. But yeah, I get it. New things equal fair. So, I mean, we would all, I mean, technically we don't know what to expect. This could be a good thing or it could be a bad thing. But I feel like as an influencer, if you don't already have your business or have more than one social site where you are generating income or, you know, developing more followers and creating interaction and elsewhere, you already went wrong right there. Ugh. You know what? Life is too short to be frustrated. Back to Gotta Be Glue Spray we go, okay? Because this is gonna take me all day and I don't have time for that. So we're gonna go back to the hairspray because I know this works for me very well and gets the job done, makes my wigs look flawless. Okay, so what's gonna happen next, because I feel like Instagram is making so much changes that it does make you question, like, okay, well, you're starting off here, what next? Like, what can we possibly expect from you guys next? Because clearly you're just doing whatever the hell you want to do whenever you want to do it, which is fine, it's your app, but that's the only scary part. I see online that everyone was like, oh, we're gonna go over to TikTok, and I'm like, we will not do that. Nothing's wrong with TikTok. I mean, I haven't really used it. I want to try to use it. It looks like it's really fun. But everyone's like, I've been seeing a lot of people say like, oh, I make my account from now before that's the next big wave and I'm behind. So I was like, that is kind of smart just to have it sitting there. But I don't see that being the next wave. But I will say, I was on this website the other day, like this marketing agency, and like a influencer marketing agency the other day, and they did I was actually a little shocked when TikTok was one of the options, and one of the options were TikTok, and I was like, wait, what? I'm like, you can make money off of TikTok? I had no freaking clue. But then again, I guess if you have a large following and a large audience, then it does make sense to allow people to generate income off of TikTok as well. So I don't know, everything's new, everything's changing. You're gonna always be in a frenzy if you don't have something of your own, like your own business or different platforms with high numbers. So just saying. Okay, so this, I'm gonna be using this setting foam. I haven't used this one ever. I used to always use mousse, as you guys know, but I was like, let me take a break from mousse because I'm kind of tired of using mousse, especially because I feel like it's starting to, I feel like after a while mousse expires and it's starting to harden up on me. So it's kind of annoying. So I was like, let's go back to setting foam. Smells good. I used to use the Nairobi that brand, but it was like making my hair stink. So I was like, eh. Alright guys, so before I go in and really start to flatten this out even more, because it's not finished, I'm going to go ahead and flat iron my hair. Now this is one of my favorite my most used flat iron. I have 4 flat irons though. But this one I love it because all you really need is 1 or 2 passes and your hair is like super sleek and straight. It also takes like 5 minutes to like do your entire head and like 1 minute to like get really hot. So if you're looking for a really good flat iron, this is definitely a really good one. Again, I use this all the time, and I usually link it down below, but I feel like a lot of people have been asking me once again, so I'm like, let me go ahead and tell you guys which flat iron I'm using. I got it from Sally's Beauty, so it wasn't really that expensive, but it is a titanium flat iron in case you're wondering. My part is not even in the middle. Again, I'm gonna probably just fix it because my parts are never in the middle. I don't know what's wrong with me. It just gives the hair so much life. My hair is starting to really look good. Took a lot of work, I'm not gonna lie. I should have tinted the lace. I didn't tint the lace. That's where I went wrong first. And I always know to tint the lace. The lace is a little lighter than my skin, I feel like. So for some reason it's just not blending. It feels natural, it looks natural. I got the edges to look nice, even with it not being so plucked. Now they did send me a bunch of like pearly like hair clips, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to put these in my hair.